Just created a new Instagram account and notice that little new tag under your profile name? You're not alone. And yes, it's totally normal. That tag simply tells others that your account is freshly made. But if you're wondering how to make it disappear faster, I've got some helpful tips for you. Actually, how long does the new tag stay? Instagram usually removes it automatically within 14 days. Sometimes it takes a bit longer depending on how you use your account. But here's the good news. You can actually speed up the process. Here's how to make the new tag go away faster. 1. Stay active, consistently. Post photos, videos, and stories regularly. Like and comment on posts from others. Use features like Reels or Lives to show you're a real active user. Snotter 2. Complete your profile. Add a clear profile photo. Write a short, engaging bio. Include a link if you have one, like a website or another social profile. 3. Avoid suspicious behavior. Don't follow hundreds of accounts all at once. Don't post tons of content in a very short time. Avoid using third-party tools or automation. These can raise red flags. The key is to build your account naturally. Instagram rewards real, human-like behavior. So instead of trying to trick the system, just enjoy using the platform and let your activity speak for itself. Final tip: patience is your friend. Rushing things can actually backfire. Too much activity too fast can trigger Instagram's spam filters and slow down your progress or even restrict your account. That's all you need to know. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram hacks and social media tips. Catch you in the next video.